Welcome back, fellas. Day 3. Let's see what we got for today. Alright, like I said yesterday, we're just gonna clean up some of these shitty welds, get those hangers off, clean up the frame. All that. I think I'm gonna use the hitch to get the spacing right here once we clean all this up, and then we'll start bolting up the cross members we need, and then I'll go ahead and move this under the truck and then start measuring for the link bars, lower link mounts, back mounts, and all that jazz. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I got these cleaned up. Dug into it a little bit when I cut it off, but it ain't too big. Got these cleaned up. These cleaned up. This one cleaned up. It's gonna suck to I'm gonna try to get as much as I can of this rust and shit off, but I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'll probably just wipe it down and then just spray some rust encapsulator or something on it. So for now, let's get that on, get these frame rails lined up, and then we'll get the front gas tank cross member on and see where we're at. All right, I got all this cleaned up. I went ahead and cleaned these up because I'm probably gonna end up welding these to the frame. So I grinded these down a little bit, cleaned it up so it's metal. I think I'm gonna weld those in first and then mock up the rest of the cross members. That way that's already done. And I can just set up the link bars where the differential is gonna go, so I can start marking out the C-notch. So let's get to it. All right, got these fully welded in. Got this side fully welded in. I'll still clean this up a little bit, and then I'll start. I think I'm gonna paint everything from here back. I'll go ahead and paint that, mount the cross member, and then we'll start marking out. We'll need to get the axle under here, get the differential under here, and then we'll mark where the notches are gonna go. That way we can start marking that up, to cut the frame, drop them in, and then tack them in and square that one up, drop it in, tack it in. All right. I sigh a lot. I noticed that in the last video. But anyway, got the axle kind of put there. I know it's got to go a little further back. I think it's going to end up somewhere around here. I got those fully welded. I got the link bars over here. This is some of the stuff I got for the back from Nfamus. So this one is the gas tank cross member. Oh. Let's see if I can jam this in there one-handed. Just like that. So this one lines up right there in those two holes. And then this one right here, and you got to drill these two, and that fully bolts in right there. And you can see where this is going. So, excuse me. This is a 3-link, the wishbone. So, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. This one goes in here. Don't fall. Like so. And then, these are the lower link bars. Now I know Nfamus sells their usual kit. It welds under the frame and it goes straight down. But if you want to reuse your stock hangers, ask for it with these S bars. So these, my jack stand is in the way, but you get the gist right here. My hose is all running from all this grinder dust. And then this one, same thing right here. So you see, it tucks the bar inside the frame rail and it gives you clearance for the wheels. I know from my last truck, the inside wheel was about this far from the frame. And you'll see it once I get all this put together. But we'll get there, guys. It's 8:55. I usually only work out here till about 9. Slowly getting there. Still got a shitload of work to do. That's a wrap for day 3. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.